Sergeant Jerome Wald, as well as Master Sergeant Ray Myers and Senior Airman Duncan Williams. All of these folks are reservists from McCord Air Force Base, Washington. Its entire mission with this minimum crew. From the left, the high-speed pass of the C-17. The C-17 F-117 engines power the C-17. These are the same engines used on the Boeing 757 commercial aircraft. Is now performing a base leg turn out there and is slowing down so that you get an idea of the slow speed capabilities of the C-17. As the aircraft passes, please notice the wing. Wondering how are used by the pilots are a quantum leap forward in airlift cockpit design. All the information needed to fly the aircraft is displayed on C-17 Globemaster III from McCord Air Force Base from the left in the overhead brake for landing. Globemaster III to land at over 6,000 more airfields worldwide than currently available to the C-5 Galaxy and commercial wide-body aircraft. In fact, during the NATO peacekeeping mission in Bosnia, C-17 crews airlifted nearly one-half of the total cargo and only one-fourth the missions while there was hostile forces nearby. This approach tactic can also be used from very high altitude to avoid enemy fire. The C-17 made its inaugural flight in September. Now Boeing delivered the first operational C-17 to Charleston Air Force Base in June of 1993. Look at that very steep sink rate on the C-17. We're going to get this aircraft stopped in less than 6,000 feet. There's the touchdown and some smoke off the tires. The reverse thrusters go into operation. The spoilers and the flaps are down. There you hear it. You can see the fronts and parts of the engines are separated. That's the reverse thrusters. And right about here, we've got the C-17 stopped. Folks, what did you think of the McCord Air Force Base C-17 Globemaster III? Now, folks, here's a real cool feature of the C-17. We're going to see if he's going to do it for us. If you get to the end of that short 6,000-foot runway. Maneuvers you have seen here today are representative of those flown by our operational air crews every day as they provide. Hope you enjoyed this brief look at the C-17 Globemaster III from the United States Air Force's core lifter and workhorse, providing rapid global mobility.